The art of wood carving, a journey to create the sacred Mother Mary statue. The process of sculpting. Mother Mary. Carving the Mother Mary statue is no ordinary task. It is an intricate process that demands not only skill and precision, but also immense patience and dedication. The process begins with selecting the right wood. Often hardwood varieties such as mahogany, oak, or teak are chosen due to their durability and ability to hold fine details. Once the raw wood is prepared, the artisan carefully sketches the initial outline of the statue. The face of Mother Mary, her gentle expression, and flowing robes are the defining elements that bring out her grace and divinity. This phase involves careful planning to ensure every proportion aligns perfectly. The next stage is the rough carving process. Using heavy chisels and saws, the artisan begins to shape the block of wood into recognizable forms. The statue starts to come to life as broad strokes reveal her figure, her hands delicately extended in a gesture of peace. This part requires a steady hand to avoid damaging the wood while still removing excess material efficiently. Once the primary form is achieved, the real artistry begins, refining the details. The face of Mother Mary is carved with the utmost care. Her expression must convey serenity, compassion, and divinity. Each feature, eyes, nose, and mouth, is delicately shaped using smaller chisels and hand tools. The folds in her robes, the intricate designs on her garments, and the symbols that adorn the piece are added meticulously. This stage can take weeks or even months as the artisan fine-tunes every curve and detail. Sanding is a crucial step that follows the carving. The artisan uses sandpaper of varying grains to smooth the surface of the statue, removing rough edges and creating a polished finish. This ensures the wood feels as soft to the touch as the appearance of Mother Mary's robe suggests. Finally, the artist applies protective coatings to preserve the beauty and integrity of the wood. This step enhances the natural grain of the wood, bringing out its rich texture and depth, while protecting it from moisture or damage over time. The final reveal. The completed Mother Mary statue is nothing short of breathtaking. The soft lines of her face, the elegance of her posture, and the flawless attention to detail are a testament to the artisan's talent and devotion. Whether placed in a church, an art gallery, or a home, the statue stands as a symbol of faith, peace, and the timeless beauty of handmade art. The ancient craft of wood carving. A historical look at wood carving and its place in traditional art forms. How wood carving has evolved over centuries. The tools and techniques that have stood the test of time. Selecting the right materials. The importance of choosing the right type of wood, e.g. durability, texture. Steps to prepare raw wood for carving. The connection between nature and artistic creation. The artist's vision and inspiration insights into the artist's creative process and motivation. How artisans draw inspiration to reflect grace and divinity in their work, translating a sacred concept into physical form. The process of sculpting. Mother Mary. Step 1. Sketching and planning the design. Step 2. Initial rough shaping with heavy tools. Step 3. Refining details. Face, hands, robes, and the subtle folds of clothing. Step 4. Perfecting symmetry and proportion. Step 5. Sanding and smoothing surfaces for final touches. Step 6. Adding intricate designs such as symbols, rosaries, or floral motifs. Step 7. Applying protective coatings to preserve the wood. The challenges of handmade carving, the precision and patience required to carve intricate details. Obstacles like wood imperfections or tool mishaps, the emotional and physical toll on the artisan. The dedication of the craftsman. A day in the life of a wood sculptor. The importance of skill, discipline, and a deep respect for the art. Stories and experiences of artists who have dedicated their lives to the craft. The final reveal, bringing Mother Mary to life. The awe-inspiring result of months of meticulous work. How the sculpture conveys peace, grace, and spirituality. Reactions from audiences and communities upon seeing the finished piece. The role of handmade art in modern times. The preservation of traditional crafts in a digital world. Why handcrafted art remains valuable and cherished. the unique, irreplaceable qualities of a handmade masterpiece. Conclusion: reflecting on the artistry and devotion behind the Mother Mary statue, celebrating the legacy of craftsmanship and its ability to inspire faith, encouraging appreciation for handmade art and the skilled artisans who create it.